Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve myself in the art of programming. Hopefully, getting job in some amount of time. Uh, Hopefully sooner than better. Finding uh, self-confidence. It's also, like high goals for the stream. Can you feel the tension? So, as most of you already probably know, I do split my learning process and into, my learning process into a rounds. We'll do round number 2. This number 5 of today, but number 2 of today's stream, of this stream. And I will do 5 minutes of typing practice and then 30 minutes of me trying to understand the intricacies of a Spring framework. Currently, we are accessing databases using the Spring JDBC. We managed to run successfully a MySQL image inside of a Docker and connect it to our application. Yay! Wow, seems really professional, doesn't it? And we'll continue on that. When we finish the tutorial, the next step is to building my own application. So that way I can say that I actually can build something by my own, not just writing what was written by someone else. So let's get into it, shall we? Go to typing. Next lesson. I'll start the clock and let's go. First typo. That keyboard sticking to its place, it's like really nice. Hey, the 401. Welcome to the channel. I'm from Czech Republic, which is next to Germany if you are not familiar with Europe. It's kind of late, so there's a chance you might be from US or around. Yeah, nice. So, East Coast, West Coast. Software dev here. Yeah, well, I'm learning in Georgia. Nice. I think you are my first Georgian in here. I mean, I had here another one from Georgia, but that's the Georgia in the east, in the Asia, not in the US. Oh, come on. Rick, you. Zero, here we go. And we have a beautiful record of 5% error rate and 31 VPM. So we'll save it into our application, 531, and that brings us to the all-time average of 6.44 error rate and 35 VPM, and our last 3 days to 4.43 error rate and 37.86 VPM. Magnificent. The main thing is that this is going down, the error rate, and this is going up, which is kind of secondary, but this is going down, which is very nice. All right. So, hey, yeah. Yeah, it's like, especially like after like the long, I don't know, it's hard for me to see the improvement from day to day. It kind of feels like, oh, I'm not improving, so stupid, so bad, blah blah blah. This simple application which I wrote helps me a lot, you know, like really. And it's like, it's really simple application. It has like few hundred lines of code. Well, maybe not even that. And that's the thing. It does the thing. So I want to build more, you know, like useful tools. That's kind of like motivating. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what's the 128? So 256. Okay, cool. Stream good. Okay. So we will continue to, well, probably killing some people who have the epilepsy, and beside that, we will try to fix this thing. So we were at we were at the update, right? So, and we did not finish it. So we can do jdbc template.update, and we put in the SQL and then the parameters, and the first one is age, the second one ID, and then we say updated student age to plus age plus ID for student with ID equals to class ID. Like so. Is it not beautiful? My side is beautiful, and now we see how wrong I am. Oh, it looks like I did it. Student set. Okay. A logger like log4j would be more performant for printing logs instead of sysum. Not sure if you recall it. I do. Thank you for telling me. Because, well, yeah, and tell me, the log4j, that's the AOP kind of logging, or is it? Because you have also the one which is from Lombok, right? And that's like, well, in a sense, you can say it is a AOP as well. Well, it's not really. And that one is log4SF or something like that. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure which one you are referring to, or if I'm getting it right. I know this code can take a lot of time. Yes, it can. And this is tutorial. Oh, so update. Okay, so set. Oh, hold on. Update student. Set age equal to this. Where ID that? Okay. Yeah, but here I'm going through the soon tutorial, but it's good to be reminded of that. Yeah, but doesn't the log4j also using the system out println? I don't know. I would be curious. Update student set age, blah, where, blah. Okay, so that's that. Update the record with ID. Okay, my message is better. I'll keep mine. And then we have a main app. Okay, so he does the configuration within a beans. Yeah. Okay, so I will try to do it with the template first, and then do the Java configuration kind of thing, because that's the how all cool kids do these things nowadays, right? So we will do that. Yeah. Okay, so main app. So that was alt this, yep. And Java class main app, like so. Voice as void method. Here we go. Now we want new, and this is class path XML application context. Our thingy will be called beans the XML. Here we go. We'll extract it to, you will be called context just, and also I want this to be a var. Yep, thank you very much. Now context get b student JDBC template. Okay. Okay, so why the hell context? Here we go, that's what I want. Now I say context, and we will get the JDBC template thingy. So it will get bean JDBC template object, like so. Then we will cast it to JDBC just student template, right? Yep, student this, and all of that we will extract it to template, and this one I don't know what that returns, so oh, I guess it could be var. It's not confusing in here that much. Oh, okay. So we will have a student creation. Oh, thank you for coming, DAV 401. See you next time, hopefully. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Why the sound didn't play? That's weird. I have to fix my notifications. Where is it? Where is it? Alert box. Follows. Where are follows? I don't see here are follows. Here you have defaults, alert variations, edit. Oh, it's not selected. I see. Okay, so. How come I cannot select diff? Oh, come on, close. Cancel. It's default.ogg. So if I do select here and I search for defaults, I don't have it. I guess I will have to create my own. Close, nothing. Close. Oh my god. Category. Classic. How about the classic? No, nothing. No. No. Oh, that sounds nice. Bits 500. Doom. Rug, idiot, funny blunder. I love. What? Oh, this is the one, right? Which is normal. I think. Okay, positive win game, but maybe I like the 500 something more. I don't know. It doesn't matter really, right? Positive win game. Okay. This guy, okay. Save. I'm killing my learning stream doing this. Why are you like this? Why do you care? It's just sound. Oh, that's... There we go. This guy. Okay, cool. Save, 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 save. Everything's safe. Now it shouldn't. Now it should do the right thing. There's probably no one watching anymore. Oh, there are people. Hello, people. So we are creating, right? So we say template dot create, and we say def 401, and the age will be 123. Then we have create name toggle bit age 456. Then we have a template create, and here will be a Brandon blue. Age will be 789. That's probably enough. Listing multiple returns. Okay, so here we have a this is ugly. I will create a toString method. Student here, and we want a toString method. toString for all of it, yes. And here we will get the main app. So we will get all of it, right? So we say template dot list students. We'll extract it to our students, and then for each of student s from students, we print out student. That's it. And maybe it would be nice to name it nicely. Student. Yep. Okay. I'll try to run this, and we will. My nothing is configured yet. Nothing is configured yet, so it will not work because I don't have my template. I mean the configuration. So here we will create XML configuration file. Beans is the name for it, and inside of there, so ID data source. Okay, so it's not test, it will be student for me. The driver should be the same. This, I have no idea what that is. Okay. So we say here. No, what you are doing. Of what? For data source. For data source. Okay, now here is something bean ID will be data source, right? Then the class will be com.tutorials point spring example dot. Oh, hold on. Am I doing the right thing? Driver manager data source. Do I have that? I don't have that. Where the fuck is that? Data source driver manager data source. Did I skip something? There's no fucking driver. What the fuck? Oh, because, oh yeah, because it's in the Spring framework. Okay, I'm sorry, I apologize. I didn't mean to, so that is org.spring framework dot and jdbc dot data source. Yes. Dot, and then this is driver manager blah blah something. Okay, driver manager data source, right? Yes. Then we have few properties. Driver class name, which is the driver, I think, something, yeah, driver. Okay, so this is the constructor injection. So no constructor. This is the setter injection, and we have okay. So driver class name and the ref or the class value. All right, and it is com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Yay! And that will be self-closing tag, right? Yes. The that is the URL property URL. Yes. Then we will have a value, and that will be jdbc local host 303006 I think was the port, and we are looking at student schema. So let me put that there, student. This might be it actually. Let me see. JDBC. Okay, so JDBC MySQL. Okay, JDBC MySQL, and then what? Then / localhost / localhost, and the rest I have. Well, okay. So now property, username, value, root. Okay, now don't look. Property. Oh, come on. Name, password. Okay, don't tell anyone, right? All right. Can I count on you? 4, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Our secret, right? Bum. That should be it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Root, password, blah blah blah, bean, and then we will define the JDBC template thing. So we do bean ID JDBC student main app. I will copy this, yank inside those, go back, paste. Here we go. Now we know it's correct. insert, class. It is com dot tutorials point dot yes and jd. Oh, come on. It's the last one. Okay. Do we want to inject something? I don't think we want to inject in there. Oh, we do. The data source. Oh, so we input the data source in the... Oh, okay. And that's using the setter injection, huh? So if we go to the student JDBC template, we should have here the set data source, which, look at that, we do, ladies and gentlemen. All right. All right. So we can go here, and then the property name data source reference, this time because we are referencing another bean, will be this self-closing tag. Data source, yes, sure. And that's all there is to the XML configuration. And this one is not finished, but right now I jump to the XML configuration just in order to see if we are able to populate the database and print out the students. So let's run the application and see if that works or not. That's beautiful. Do you see that? Do you see that? And we can verify it. We can go to our database connection, you know, and we can, I should have gone not here. I will go to console. Here we go. And we will select everything from student. Yes. Look at that. We have a dev 401, we have a toggle bit, and we have a Brandon Blue, which have aged very nicely. Yeah, this is not nice. We should put in. You need no more numbers. Yeah, sure. We can give you more numbers. Main app, and then like so. And now if we run it, 1800. Okay. We can do that. You're old. Yeah. Like sometimes you will have to like tell me like what skincare you use. You know, like you look very, very nice for your age, and I'm not exaggerating at all. I haven't seen anyone at your age looking anything like you. Usually they look a little bit mummified to me, you know, those guys. Just, you know, like it might be not nice, but they don't even bother to talk to you, so they are kind of rude. So yeah, there's that. And you speak, you have even your stream, and beautiful. How old is he? 1800 years. Yeah. No wonder he can do so well, you know, like in the programming, when he knows, when he was there, when like everything was invented, you know. From the first transistors. Oh no, even not transistors, electrodes, you know, like like everything, you know. He was there when the first like silicon was like mined, you know, for for chip wafers. Oh, look, imagine that, you know. Steam engine, like everything, you know. Oh, yeah. So you're a really humble person because, you know, like you didn't insist to be written in the textbooks. That's nice. Okay, so we have that, and I see we are missing someone, so we'll fix that. Template, create, and the name will be the guy on fire. Oh no, people start asking questions. Yeah, they sometimes do. 53. And if I run it, our database is kind of nicely populated. We have some warning or something on top. What is that? Is deprecated, the new driver class. Oh, okay, so it should be, so call MySQL JDBC, and I should do call MySQL CJ. Okay, so I'll just put the CJ in there. Copy. Oh, I'm in Vim, right? So I do visual, bam, 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 yank, then where's that thingy in the POM? No, in the beans XML thingy, and we put it in here. And I kind of messed it up, but now it should be okay. And if I run the application again, look at that, no warnings. No warnings. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So we will do a little bit of housekeeping, and in the console I will do delete from student. Here we go. Enter, delete. Yes, I know. So we do execute anyway. Here we go. Now, if I go here and hey, fuck, I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at reading. Aliem Resa, fuck. Oh, well, welcome, and thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it. So now it's that, and what does it mean, truncated table? You know, like I'm kind of beginner. I'm kind of professional at it, so that's the only thing I'm professional at. Begin. All right. So this guy over here says for me as see. So this guy over here, this timer, says that we are done with the run number 2. So we'll finish that. Bam.